this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video finally after a long time, because my exam was going on and it felt like I went through World War III. But yeah, now it's finally done and I'm back into making videos for you guys. And today's video is a very special review video. As you guys already know from the thumbnail and the title, it's a review video of Melblok products. Melblok has recently sent me some of their beautiful products, and I used that I used those products around 30 to 45 days, so it's a long time, so I can give you my in-depth review about the product, my experience, how much I liked it. So if you want to know more, then please keep on watching. Also really sorry for my cracky voice, क्योंकि बहुत बुरी तरीके से मुझे ठंड लग गई है इस घटिया वेदर की वजह से. So yeah, never mind, and let's get started with today's video. So Melblok is a skincare brand. This brand provides you biodegradable ingredients for your skin, and this brand has some huge range of products for treating your under eyes, your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and it has products for all skin types, which is really great. And all the ingredients are very natural and biodegradable, and it can work really well with your skin. So yeah, that's very impressive. So Melblok has sent me some of the beautiful products, which includes one bio cucumber face wash, which is specially for oily skin, and it claims to clarifying and prebiotic cleanser, helps brighten, tighten and minimizing pores and recover skin's biochemical balance, and it's suitable for normal to oily skin. I have oily skin, and as you can see, I have used quite a lot of it. Next, they have sent me their intense aloe face wash, which claims to be hydrating and helps to soothe, brighten, refine pores and recover skin's biochemical balance, and it's suitable for normal to dry skin. Now they have sent me two of their aloe face wash, one for me and one for my mom, and my mom has normal skin and it doesn't end here. They have also sent me their pigmentation control kit, day and night system. This kit is specialized to control the pigmentation that people have usually above the age of 30, or melasma, or like blemishes, whatever you can call that. And this kit contains a day cream which has SPF 30 plus, which is really impressive, and also a night cream which is really soothing. And in the box, in the back side of the box, you will get all the details, like which the product claims to do and about the brand. And in this side you will get all the ingredients that the products have, like both the day cream and the night cream. So again, you are going to know that what you're putting into your skin, so that's a really great thing. Now this was the product's introduction. Now let's get started with our experience with the product. So I received two face washes. One is bio cucumber and one is the intense aloe face wash. The cucumber one is for oily skin, and this is for normal to dry skin, and I have oily and acne prone skin type, but I used both of this, and ये मेरे लिए कुछ भी problem नहीं create किया, and I felt like this is more mild on the skin than the cucumber one. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, but ये अगर आप sensitive skin के हो तो I think this is going to suit you really well. And both the face washes retail each for ₹1450 rupees, and you get 3 months of shelf life. यहाँ पर सब कुछ आपको mention किया हुआ मिलेगा. And you can see there is a peel off part, and if you peel off the part, so here you actually get the actual direction how to use this and about the brand. One more great thing is that here you can get all the ingredients mentioned, and this is totally chemical free, and it balances the pH of your skin. So this brand is being very transparent. You can know what you are putting into your skin, which is really important. Some brands even don't mention the whole ingredient list, but here you are gonna get the whole list. And both the products are really fragrance free, like you can barely even get a smell. Both the face washes have a very mild natural kind of fragrance, like the aloe vera one has a very mild, if you smell very hard, so you can get बहुत थोड़ा सा aloe वाला fragrance. Same happens in the case of cucumber. If you smell really hard, then you can get barely any smell. So yeah, that's a really good thing. People who don't like fragrance in their skincare, you can really go for the face washes. This really calmed down my skin, and even you can see I'm going to put a before after picture here. I won't say कि इन फेस वॉश की वजह से मेरा एक्ने कम हो गया, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर विद यू गाइस कि ये फेस वॉश मेरे स्किन को कितना ज़्यादा काम डाउन कर दिया, क्योंकि एक्ने तो बिल्कुल भी ट्रिगर नहीं हुआ है, बट माई स्किन लुक्स अ लॉट मोर हेल्दियर दैन बिफोर। एंड आप देख सकते हो कि आफ्टर यूजिंग 30 to 45 डेज अभी भी इतना सा बचा हुआ है। आई होप यू कैन सी इट क्लियरली, यानी कि अ लिटिल गोज़ अ लॉन्ग वे। सो अगर आप एक बार इसे ले लो तो ये आपको 3 months तक तो आराम से लास्ट करने वाला है। Now coming to the other product, they have sent their pigmentation control kit. As I mentioned earlier, this contains day cream and a night cream. So this is a total cream system that helps to reduce the pigmentation or the blemishes of your skin. And my mom had severe blemishes on all over these two sides of her face. I'm gonna put a picture right here. This is a before picture before using the products, and in this kit you are gonna get two of these creams. As you can see, both of these creams are of 50 gram each, and this kit retails for rupees 3,850 rupees, which is quite on the expensive side, but yeah, if it works for your skin, this is absolutely worth it. My mom used these two products daily, and she applied the day cream after taking bath in the morning, and she applied the night cream before going to the bed. And before applying the creams, she followed her skincare by washing the Melblok Bio Cucumber face wash. Sorry, मैं बार बार Bio Cucumber बोल रही हूँ. It's actually intense aloe face wash, which is really mild on the skin, as I mentioned before. And she totally loved the experience. Like she told me almost daily कि मेरा skin बहुत ज़्यादा better feel करता है, calm down feel करता है, and बहुत ज़्यादा hydrating feel करता है. Both the creams have a very lightweight and water-like consistency, so it won't feel heavy if you have oily skin. You can totally use the pigmentation control kit. It's suitable for all skin types क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा heavy cream नहीं है, and the intense amount of hydration भी ये आपको provide करता है. So if you have dry, no matter dry, oily combination and whatever skin type, these two products are going to suit you. And to mention a very important thing कि ये दोनों product में भी आपको कोई भी fragrance नहीं मिलेगा. They have a very natural mild, I think उपटन वाला fragrance थोड़ा बहुत, ये वाले में आपको थोड़ा बहुत उपटन वाला fragrance मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मिलेगा, बहुत mild सा. And this cream has a no smell at all. And my mom noticed a very huge difference. I won't say कि बिल्कुल blemish हट चुका है, but you will see for yourself. I'm gonna put a after picture right here कि कितना ज़्यादा blemish reduce हो चुका है. So yeah, these two products are totally worth the money. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did it, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, for more such video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video, and do let me know in the comment section below if you want